Hurricane 038 has now made landfall as a strong Category 3 hurricane with sustained winds of 115 miles per hour and a pressure of 960 millibars, causing a significant amount of heavy rainfall and a dangerous wind threat. 038 has sustained winds of 115 miles per hour and is expected to weaken inland across portions of Bari and over Ethiopia, where sustained winds are expected to drop to 50 miles per hour within the next 36 hours. The storm is moving towards the west southwest at 16 miles per hour and is expected to resume a more westerly trajectory within the next 12 or so hours. Hurricane warnings are in effect for most of Bari, and a tropical storm warning has been issued for portions of the northern part of the coastline as well. You can see here on the various satellite images the well-defined eye structure, which has now all but collapsed as the storm has now approached the very rugged terrain across there, and that has disrupted the circulation center. This is still a Category 3 hurricane. You can see the well-developed eye structure in the eye wall. The digital Dvorak intensities still remain relatively high at this point, with ranging anywhere from about 80 to 100 knots, keeping this at a fair Category 3 hurricane intensity. Well-defined outflow and central dense overcast still are present, causing very significant heavy rainfall and the threat of very damaging winds. Upper ocean heat content values will continue to decrease as the storm moves inland and should not reemerge over portions of Ethiopia. Again, this will be very destroyed over the very rugged terrain across there, and thus this should not be much of a concern. Tropical storm force winds do extend over much of the area, and tropical storm warnings, additional tropical storm warnings may have to be issued later today for portions of the northern part of the island across portions of Ethiopia. You can see the sustained tropical storm force wind field extends fairly far out from the center at this point, and again, it extends about 50 miles towards the north and west here. And again, you can see the sustained stronger tropical storm force winds, the 50 knot, and then the hurricane force winds right near the center in that kind of the northwestern and northeastern quadrants there.